Hello there. Today I'm out just on a little walk with Betsy. It's early morning and I've come out. It's forecast rain. I've got the brolly with me, but I've come out for some of these absolutely stunning colours. Join me shortly and we'll see if we can capture autumn. Wish autumn lasted forever. Absolutely stunning time of year this. So first little shot is this little coppice just here. There is a sign on the tree which I'm going to clone out. It's just the rangers have put a sign up for volunteers to look after the place. But I do love the oranges and all of the whites of the beech trees, the bark. It looks fantastic here. Let me show the back of the camera quickly and I'll talk you through what I'm doing. So lovely little shot, and I'm literally just focusing on the trees there, which is probably a third into the sea, maybe just over. And I'm at 70mm, I believe, yes. Just refocus. And I'm just, the idea is just line the path up through the trees with the beautiful oranges. It looks fantastic. If this shot turns out any good, I'll put it on now for you. Give me a like if you like it and drop me a comment below. What do you think of that first little shot? Pretty little scene, such a pretty little scene that is. I do like it. There's a bench there which I've just cut out. It just doesn't do for me, it's in the wrong place I think. But I'm going to follow the path up now to the top of the valley and let's see what we can catch up here. There is the beautiful old beech trees with a massive root system. The floor should be orange now, so that's where I'm heading. So here we are. I'll just take you for a little walk and just show you these massive root systems on these beech trees. They look absolutely stunning. The problem I've got is where the light's coming through. It's a cloudy day, but it's still bright up there. It is blown out and I'm having to underexpose too much. And the trunk of the tree is just black. So I'm now opting for a shot that just represents, let me just turn you around, this little tree here, got the big tree behind as well, it's all part of the same tree, the slope on the bank and the orange floor. Let me show the back of the camera and I'll talk you through what I'm doing with it and the thinking with it. So for this simple shot, I'm literally just got this tree into the left hand rule of thirds, right to the top left. We've got the lovely slope coming down, beautiful orange floor here. As you can see, it is really bright in the canopy. A lot of leaves have come down now, and although it's a cloudy day, it is still very, very bright. So I am actually underexposed, one full stop. I don't want to go any more because I'm losing the tree. It's starting to turn black. It does look absolutely stunning, the colours today. It's all wet, it's been raining, it's forecast rain again. But I'm literally, for this shot, I'm just going to focus on the tree there. I'm at f11, ISO 100, one stop underexposed. 2-second timer's on. And there's the shot. Does look beautiful. that is a lovely little area where those beech trees are. It's just too bright for me in the canopy, so it is just spoiling it for me. I think Storm Debbie has just fetched too many leaves off. I'll turn you around again now. Just look at this for a scene here. Look at the colours there. The GoPro doesn't really pick colours up, but it looks absolutely just incredible here. There's more beech trees. You've got some green of the heather. The floor is just bright orange now, so I'm going to have a little walk around here and see if I can find a little composition here. This looks stunning. Just look at the colours up there. Absolutely beautiful. It looks amazing. Where to start first? Don't know. Don't know. Let's put the tripod down and have a look. So another pretty little scene is this here. Let me just show the back of the camera and I'll talk you through what I'm doing. There's a beautiful little path just leading off here. Let me talk you through the shot. So for this, what I'm loving this green on the root systems down there. It looks absolutely fantastic. You've got the lichen on the tree. We've got a path running off there, and there's this path coming through here, which I'm loving. There's a little bench just there, and I'm tempted to try and get Betsy set up on there. She'll be quite small in the photo, but I think I'm going to take the shot first, then I'm just going to chuck Betsy on the bench, and let's see what it looks like. Again, simple settings for this. F11 on 1 stop underexposed. It is just so bright in there, just flat light, everything's lit up. It does look stunning though. But again, just got to focus there. 2-second timer's on. And there's the shot. Just trying a little shot here. We have this tree with looks like a little beech sapling just coming out of it. As beautiful as it is, I'm finding it really hard to try and find a composition here. We have got a cloudy day and we've just got flat light, which I do like, but it looks, to the eyes, it looks absolutely incredible. The colours are just everywhere, but I'm finding it really hard just to isolate those just little scenes. So I think I'm going to, I've just took a shot here. I'll put this on at the end. It doesn't really do for me, but I will put it on later. I'm going to go and work my way down and let's see if we can find something else. It does look beautiful today though. The saturation is it's just so bright, so colourful everywhere. Loving it, absolutely loving it. So another lovely little scene are these beech trees, birch trees down here. They do look lovely. There's the white of the barks, you've got the green moss on them as well. They do look stunning. I'm just taking them as a clump. The dark tree is in the left hand rule of thirds, the thin little stems is in the right hand rule of thirds, and just a little clump in the middle of the frame, with just a little bit of breathing space each side. It does look beautiful. Rather than talking through the camera, I will just put this shot on for you right now. Again, drop me a comment, tell me what you think of it. Now I'm going to head down to a little area that I saw on the way up here. There's a couple of little bracken leaves that are just dark brown now, I've gone over. And leading off into, I'll try and use that as a leading line, looking into the trees and all the autumn colours. It did look a pretty little scene, so join me down here and we'll see if we can get the shot. Just look at that for colour. Beautiful green moss on these roots. Now we're going to try and line something up. Let's see if we can just catch something with these. These look amazing, these do. So, I think I've had enough. I've got a feeling I've trod in duck crap. I can smell it. So, I hate it when the dogs crap and they just kick leaves over and you end up walking in it. Here's my last little scene, just to show you. Please check out the links below in the description. There's links to everything down there, all my gear and everything. Subscribe, we'll do it all again next week. I'll put these photos on there for you. And until next time, take it easy. I want to go back home now, get a cup of tea, give Betsy a breakfast, and she'll be fast asleep. So enjoy the photos. I'll catch you soon.